Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we are exploring the top 5 best electric pressure cooker options that can make your cooking faster, easier, and more convenient. From compact models to powerful multi-cookers, we've picked the best for you. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Fullwill electric pressure cooker. The Fullwill electric pressure cooker is a compact and efficient kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking, especially for individuals, couples, or small families. With its 3-quart capacity, it is perfectly sized to prepare just the right amount of food, helping reduce leftovers and saving valuable counter space compared to larger, bulkier cookers. This versatile cooker comes with 7 built-in cooking functions in one device, making it a practical all-in-one solution for modern kitchens. It allows you to sauté ingredients, pressure cook meals quickly, slow cook for rich and deep flavors, prepare meat stews, cook rice to perfection, and handle a variety of other everyday recipes. By combining multiple cooking methods into a single appliance, it helps streamline meal preparation and reduces the need for extra kitchen tools. The cooker features a ceramic non-stick inner pot that ensures easy cooking and effortless cleaning. The durable coating is scratch-resistant and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, promoting healthier cooking while preventing food from sticking to the surface. This makes both cooking and cleanup simple and convenient, supporting a stress-free kitchen experience. For added convenience, the Fullwill electric pressure cooker includes a delay start function and an automatic keep warm feature. The digital timer allows users to schedule cooking in advance, so meals are ready exactly when needed, while the keep warm mode maintains an ideal serving temperature until mealtime. These features are especially useful for busy routines and flexible meal planning. Safety and ease of use are also key highlights of this appliance. It is built with multiple safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and a secure lid locking system for safe operation. The intuitive control panel is designed with clear settings, making it easy for beginners as well as experienced cooks to operate confidently. Overall, the Fullwill electric pressure cooker combines compact design, multifunctional cooking options, easy maintenance, and user-friendly safety features into one practical kitchen solution for everyday use. Coming in at number 4, the Carori electric pressure cooker. The Carori electric pressure cooker is a versatile all-in-one kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking while delivering fast, nutritious, and consistent results. Built to replace multiple kitchen devices, it combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer, warmer, and even a baking assistant in a single compact unit. This makes it an ideal choice for modern households looking to save space without compromising on cooking variety. At the heart of its design is an intuitive IMD touchscreen panel featuring 12 preset cooking modes. These presets allow users to prepare a wide range of meals with just a simple touch, removing guesswork and making it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. The 6-quart large-capacity pot is well suited for families of up to 6 people, making it practical for daily meals, gatherings, or batch cooking for the week ahead. Powered by a 1,000-watt heating system, the cooker significantly reduces cooking time, up to 70% faster than traditional stovetop methods, while helping preserve the natural nutrients and flavors of ingredients. This ensures meals are not only quick to prepare, but also healthier. Safety is a key focus of the design, with over 16 built-in protection systems, including lid lock security, steam release control, and boil-dry protection. These features help ensure worry-free cooking every time. Additionally, the 24-hour delay start function allows users to plan meals in advance, so food can be freshly cooked and ready exactly when needed. The non-stick ceramic inner pot enhances convenience by preventing food from sticking, reducing the need for excess oil, and making cleanup quick and effortless. Overall, the Carori electric pressure cooker brings together efficiency, safety, and versatility in one smart cooking solution for everyday home use. At number 3, we have the Comfee electric pressure cooker. The Comfee electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking while delivering a wide range of meal options. Built as a 9-in-1 multifunctional cooker, it can operate as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg maker, and food warmer. This all-in-one design helps reduce the need for multiple appliances in the kitchen, making it suitable for both small and busy households. With 14 programmable preset functions, the cooker allows users to prepare a variety of dishes with minimal effort. From tender meats and rich broths to beans, oatmeal, and other homemade recipes, the presets are designed to support convenient, one-touch cooking. This feature makes it especially helpful for beginners as well as experienced cooks who want consistent results without manual adjustments. Safety is a key focus of the Comfee electric pressure cooker. It is equipped with 10 professional safety features, including overheat protection, an automatic pressure release system, and a lid safety lock. These built-in protections are designed to ensure secure operation during cooking, giving users added confidence while preparing meals under pressure. The appliance also includes a 24-hour intelligent delay timer, allowing users to schedule cooking in advance. This means meals can be prepared ahead of time and ready exactly when needed, making it ideal for busy routines, work schedules, or family planning. To enhance convenience, the cooker comes with several useful accessories, including a spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord. These components support different cooking methods and make it easier to get started right out of the box. Overall, the Comfee electric pressure cooker is designed to combine flexibility, safety, and convenience in one compact appliance, offering a practical solution for everyday home cooking needs. Next up at number 2 is the Midea electric pressure cooker. The Midea electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking while delivering consistent, flavorful results. Built with 12-in-1 functionality, it allows you to pressure cook, sauté, steam, slow cook, and prepare a wide range of meals such as rice, soup, oatmeal, beans, chili, and even yogurt. This all-in-one design helps reduce kitchen clutter while making it easier to prepare homemade dishes with convenience and efficiency. At the core of its design is a durable stainless steel inner pot that promotes even heat distribution for well-cooked meals every time. The non-reactive surface helps preserve the natural taste and nutrients of ingredients, ensuring healthier and more flavorful cooking. It is also easy to clean, making it suitable for frequent daily use. The cooker features smart cooking programs with one-touch operation, allowing users to prepare meals effortlessly. Whether you are cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the customizable settings provide flexibility for different recipes. With its large 8-quart capacity, it is well suited for families or gatherings, making it possible to cook generous portions in a single batch. Safety is enhanced through the advanced RealSafe system, which includes multiple protection features such as pressure control, over-temperature protection, and automatic pressure release. These built-in safeguards provide peace of mind during operation, even for less experienced users. Efficiency is another key advantage of this appliance, as it can reduce cooking time by up to 70% compared to traditional methods. This makes it especially useful for busy households that need quick yet nutritious meals without compromising quality. Cleaning and maintenance are also made simple with dishwasher-safe components, including the inner pot and lid. This reduces the effort required after cooking and allows more time to enjoy meals with family and friends. Overall, the Midea electric pressure cooker combines versatility, speed, safety, and convenience in one powerful kitchen solution designed for modern cooking needs. Finally, at number 1, we have the Instant Pot Duo Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking while delivering consistent, high-quality results. Built with multiple cooking modes, it brings together several essential kitchen tools in a single compact unit, making meal preparation more convenient and efficient. This model offers 7 core cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice making, yogurt preparation, and a keep warm mode. With 11 one-touch smart programs, it can easily handle a wide range of recipes, from comforting soups and tender meats to desserts like cakes, allowing users to cook with minimal effort and maximum flexibility. Designed with a 3-quart capacity, it is especially well suited for small households, individuals, or preparing side dishes. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong performance with 700 watts of power, operating at 120 volts, 60 Hz, and is UL and ULC listed for safety and reliability. Cooking speed is another highlight, as it can prepare meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. The inner cooking pot is made from durable stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, ensuring even heat distribution and allowing for professional-style searing and sautéing. Cleanup is made simple with a dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot, reducing post-meal effort. Safety is also a key focus, with over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and a secure, easy-seal locking lid. To add extra convenience, the package includes a stainless steel steamer rack, expanding cooking possibilities right out of the box. Overall, this appliance combines speed, safety, and versatility in a compact design suitable for modern kitchens. Cook smarter, not harder. Check the price link in the description to find the best option for your kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.